What if you could take control of your financial future, all from the comfort of your home? Welcome to the thrilling world of day trading, where fortunes can be made in the blink of an eye. This dynamic realm offers a unique opportunity for individuals to shape their financial destiny. Yes, it's filled with potential rewards, but it also carries its fair share of risks. Fear not, we're here to guide you. In the next few minutes, we will share some practical tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of day trading. To master day trading, you need to first understand the market. In the dance of day trading, the rhythm is set by market trends and patterns. These hidden melodies of rising and falling values can guide your every move. But how do you hear the music? The answer lies in vigilant research and keeping a keen ear on market news. The stock market doesn't speak in whispers, it roars with data. And this data is your compass, pointing you towards profitable decisions. There are numerous resources available, from financial news networks to online analytics tools, that can help you make sense of this cacophony. The market is a vast ocean, and every wave, every ripple, every current matters. It's a living, breathing entity that rewards those who understand its moods and motions. So, immerse yourself in the study of market trends. Dive deep into data analysis. Keep your fingers on the pulse of financial news. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of day trading. Risk is a constant companion in day trading, but it can be managed. It's like a dance, where you need to stay in step with the market while avoiding stepping on any toes. One of the best ways to manage risk is by setting stop losses. Stop losses are your safety net. They're there to catch you when a trade doesn't go as planned. Think of them as your own personal risk manager, always looking out for your financial well-being. But managing risk isn't only about what happens during a trade. It's also about what happens before. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. It's not about being pessimistic, it's about being realistic. You wouldn't bet your car on a game of cards, would you? And finally, have a clear trading plan and stick to it. Your plan is your roadmap, guiding you through the volatile landscapes of the market. Just as you wouldn't embark on a road trip without a map, you shouldn't trade without a plan. Smart risk management can be the difference between success and failure in day trading. Day trading is not just about numbers, it's also about emotional discipline. This might come as a surprise to some, but it's true. Emotions can heavily influence our decisions, and in the high-stakes world of day trading, this can lead to disastrous results. Fear and greed are two big players here. Fear can lead us to sell too early, missing out on potential profits. Greed, on the other hand, can make us hold on to a stock for too long, resulting in losses. So how can we maintain emotional discipline? One way is by taking regular breaks. This helps to clear your mind and reduce stress. Another strategy is practicing mindfulness. By focusing on the present moment, we can avoid getting swept up in fear or greed. We can make decisions based on facts and analysis, not on our emotions. So keep your emotions in check. Don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. Remember, emotional discipline is key to long-term success in day trading. In the world of day trading, there's always something new to learn. It's a dynamic landscape, constantly shifting, with market trends that rise and fall, and strategies that evolve. If you want to stay ahead of the game, you need to be a continuous learner. There's an abundance of resources at your disposal. Books, for example, are timeless knowledge troves. Authors like Jack Schwager, Alexander Elder, and Michael Lewis have penned down insights that can guide your trading journey. Then, there are online courses. From understanding market fundamentals to mastering technical analysis, these digital classrooms can equip you with the skills you need to navigate the volatile waters of day trading. But don't overlook the potential of community forums. These are places where traders from all walks of life come together to share their experiences, their successes, and yes, their failures too. There's a wealth of wisdom to be gained from these first-hand accounts. Yet amidst all these resources, remember that your own trading experiences are an invaluable teacher. Every trade you make, every risk you take, every decision you second-guess, it all contributes to your growth as a trader. Reflect on your actions, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate your successes. Because in the end, it's not just about making profitable trades, it's about becoming a better trader every single day. So keep learning, keep growing, and you could become the next big success story in day trading.